It's an exciting way to really make technology interactive, human, intuitive. The launch of the Digital Factory by Tessie is really exciting because it's being able to bring together so many different pieces of technology and so many different processes that people need to work on. It was a terrific launch for the Human Interactive, really interactive and compelling discussion, lots of important things to cover and lots of different topics. Absolutely. I mean, when it comes to digital transformation, everybody is wondering where do people stand in all of this change, and this is really a way for people to understand more about technology being used to empower rather than getting in the way. Yes, the idea of this intuitive, human, interactive approach, I think I've found it just while I've been traveling and being able to pay for things without thinking with my phone everywhere I go.